day 253 of my trading journey, and today is a continuation. And if you haven't seen my TikTok channel, is this look. And today I'm going to give you a brief explanation for today's trade and for future target you can do. And today my bias is bullish because it runs this high, which is a order block, and we can see a bit of reaction, and that gives us confirmation that sellers is entering right here, and the market just runs that down, and it gives us the confirmation. Number two is it builds liquidity above this, another order block that keeps getting tapped right here, getting reaction right here and here, and the last one is right here. It then swept this, so it gives us a target. And today there's no trade for today like yesterday, which is Monday, because I'm trying a new strategy which is called the 4-hour what is it called, the 4-hour candle, and I'm looking for this third candle right here and getting sweep this top. But I think the strategy is not for me because it's a waiting game, and I have lost a lot of opportunity. I could have just traded like this entry right here. Wait, I forgot. We can see this creating this low getting swept by this low, creating a liquidity block. So there is no liquidity right here, and we can see where does that right here. Is it right here? Or wait, I think I forgot the setup where it was supposed to be held. Oh, right here. I forgot right here. Right here, we can see a sweep, not this one, but it created a liquidity block right here. But this is also a liquidity block because it had used the liquidity remaining, sweeping it and sweeping this high, creating a breakout structure and confirming that all of the liquidity has been swept. And right here we can see a trap occurring right here. You can see right here the market goes down, creating a breakout structure, and retail will view this as continuation to the upside, so they are putting position right here, so which the market respected for a bit, creating a reaction and sweeping it. So we could have just entered right here. Wait, let me cancel this order since the setup was already missed, and sweep targeting this high, which the market has been respecting. You can see this reaction right here, right here, right here, and that could have put me in profit, but I'm trying that strat if it fits to me. But I think trading liquidity in inducements fits me better, though I have to wait sometimes, but I can trade for a bit and wait. I'm not that impatient. And now let me explain what happened for yesterday, which I haven't because I just posted a slideshow, and I will explain it. I didn't take a trade because we can see it's building up liquidity right here, which are going to be my future target for after all of this highs to get swept, which is a lot. We can see this is the final TP. If it ever runs this or this one, this is the final liquidity. If it sweep or it all, that will be my final target. And I'm going to explain Monday's trade, which I could have taken a trade because we can see this low, sweeping this low, creating a liquidity lock. But I think to myself, I'm trading the strat, which is the 4-hour strat for H1 candle strategy, and you can see though this hasn't given a reaction, but we can clearly tell that the market is trying to respect it. You can see it's trying to tap it, but it just moves and spread. And I can also take a trade right here. Like I said, we can see a reaction, and let me just remove this. You can see a action right here, a bit, just a small one, and sweeping it. But let me mark this out as liquidity. And yeah, that's what happened for Monday. Though we can hold the position right here. Right here. Yes. And targeting the liquidity above, we could have been on a trade of 6 to 2, and this one is for 1 to 4, which is a very good trade. And I can raise it to right here because it doesn't matter. It could be my paying TP, or I will take this trade and I will go stick to the trade of liquidity and inducement because I think I'm getting the hang of it. I'm always switching to strategy because I try to practice the strategy, which is liquidity and inducement. I have been losing and I had just been discouraged, so I tried another strategy, which is a bad thing, and we shouldn't have do it. And I think I can take a trade right here. You can see it tapping it, and you can see the market is trying to run this, and I can put like this right here and TP right here, but it's too risky. Though I don't want to trade like that, trying to follow what the market is trying to do. I just want to trade whether if I'm on the trade, I don't care. If I follow the rules, it's fine to me. I think tomorrow might change because after sweeping this high right here, we can expect the market to ignore this high right here. This one I'm trying to circle, and it might ignore this high or any other highs above and try to sweep all of this low, or probably go with all of this low. I think I have it, and I now notice why I keep losing a trade, because I'm overthinking it, and that's the cause of it. Hmm. Two. I think I'm still in profit with this one. I might take this or not, probably, because if we go for a lower time frame, we can see this one where it all started. Oops. Right here. I might take the trade right here or right here. Right here is nice enough for me to take. And that will be my trade, and I will put position right here. And I'm going to post for continue tomorrow again if I have time, and I will be busy tomorrow if I have the time to post, and I will post this. I will post my trade tomorrow, and if I have taken this trade, what am I even saying? If I'm going to post tomorrow's result in TikTok and this YouTube channel. And that's all, and goodbye.